In a situation where you share your Netflix with your friends and your family, the one problem that you must start having is that they will start using your profile to be watching movies, and that's going to be ruining your movie list and also ruining your watch history on your Netflix account. So on this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a solution for that, which is actually the pin lock feature. So on this video, I'll be explaining on how to do that so that you'll be having some privacy on your Netflix account. And if you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. So do this. Start by logging into your Netflix account on the Netflix app and then enter your profile. So once you've gotten here, all you have to do is to click on your profile icon at the top. You can see that. So click on your profile icon and then you're going to see accounts. Click on account. So once you click on account, all you have to do is just scroll down. So let me scroll down. So once you scroll down, you're going to see manage profiles. So simply click on manage profiles. So once you get here, you have to select the profile that you actually want to add a lock to. So for this one, I want to add a lock to this my account, fresh method. So all I have to do is just click on this my profile. So I'm going to click on it real quick. So in here, you'll be able to see the profile lock. So all you have to do is click on it. So once you get here, they are going to ask you for your Netflix password. So all you have to do is just input your Netflix password in order for you to proceed. So I'm going to input my Netflix password real quick. So once you are done, click on continue. So once you click on continue, now you'll be able to add a lock to your profile account. So all I have to do now is just check this box. You can see this box, require a pin to access fresh methods profile. So all you have to do is just check this box. So once you check it, they are going to ask you to input a 4-digit pin that will be required in order to log in my profile. So I'm going to add a 4-digit pin in here. So this is my 4-digit pin. So once you are done, all you have to do is just click on save, and it's going to apply the changes. And do make sure that whatever pin that you are going to put in there, make sure it's something that you always remember, so that you'll be able to always access your profile. So let me show you guys that this is already working right now. So let me quickly just close my account, or rather close my Netflix real quick. So right now I'm about to enter my profile, and you are going to see that it's going to ask me for my pin. So you can see that. So once I input my pin, I'll be able to have access to my profile. So this is actually very, very important, so that at least you'll be able to have some privacy on your profile when you are sharing your Netflix account. So if you are having this issue, you can start adding a pin lock, or rather a password, to your profile, so that you be the only one accessing your Netflix profile. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.